going back to jail.
Step back, step over here, please.
No, I ain't going
Hey,
nowhere.
step over here.
No,
Step over here. You're not going, man. Hey, stop! Stop! I'm here to talk. Stop!
All right, don't change it.
Okay, stop.
Florida. 6 a.m. A man with an active no-contact order is inside a woman's apartment, drunk, on cocaine. He is the one who called 911.
At around 6:30 a.m., police respond to an apartment where a highly intoxicated man has just called 911 on himself.
Morning.
Hi.
You called us?
No, my boyfriend did. He's inside. We have no contact order. I've asked him multiple times a day.
I'm sorry, say that again?
My boyfriend did, thinking it's a joke. And he's inside.
Okay.
He's manipulating me enough.
I'm not disabled.
I have no contact order.
That's fine. Yeah, that's fine. Alright, fine. So what happened? Tell me what happened.
Huh?
Tell me what happened.
He's a drunk, an alcoholic. We have no contact order. He's manipulating me to keep coming here, and I'm letting it happen.
No contact order against him?
He went to court and they put it against me. And
Whose
I'm
house is
stupid.
this here?
It's mine.
Okay.
And I'm stupid and I keep letting it happen.
Okay.
So I know I'm gonna get in trouble for letting him be here, I'm sure.
Alright.
But he called, he's drinking, and he's on coke. He just punched another hole in my closet. Because he's so fucked up.
So why did you let him in?
Because
You
I'm
have a no
stupid.
contact order.
Because I'm stupid.
Oh, that's alright. He didn't hurt you or anything?
No.
Okay, so you just want him gone?
Yes, and he won't leave.
Alright, so how many people are
He
inside?
called. My kids are sleeping.
Okay. So why the no contact order?
Because he hit me a couple weeks ago. And-
Here?
Yes.
Okay.
And I called and he took him to jail.
He went to jail?
Yes. He's
Okay.
on probation. I guess they didn't violate it or something, I don't know.
Okay.
And so no contact order, the judge put it on him because I didn't go to court because I have to work every day. And then I'm stupid and manipulated and let him back
So
here.
he's not supposed to be here?
No.
Okay.
And this keeps happening and I'm done. I know.
Do you know
I
his-
know it's my fault.
Do you know his social,
I don't know the social off the top of my head.
his first name, last name, date of birth?
Dakota niece. Dakota? Dakota. He probably jumped out the balcony by now.
He's on the third floor.
Yeah, he don't care.
Alright, does he have any weapons? Are there any weapons inside the house? Okay. I just wanted to hang here with me until we're waiting for someone, okay?
The victim tells officers everything the no-contact order, how he kept coming back, and that she kept letting him in. She knew it was a violation. She said so herself. That candor would matter. Officers confirmed the order before making contact. Dakota was on probation. He was not supposed to be anywhere near this apartment. He came back anyway. The moment he walked through that door, the violation was complete. Under Florida Statute 741, Senshi, violating a domestic violence injunction is a third-degree felony up to 5 years per offense.
142, can you 65, one by name? First name, Dakota, common spelling.
Hey, I'm outside with the
Delta,
police.
Alpha, Kilo, Oscar, Tango, Alpha.
I'm at home.
Date
Because
of
you
birth,
called them on yourself.
I did.
5/30/1995.
You called them on yourself.
Hold on. She
called them on
told you
yourself.
last night, right?
You
Correct.
called them on
I'm
yourself.
still saying that. I didn't do a fucking thing
You
wrong.
called them on yourself. You're not supposed to
I'm
be
not-
here in the first place.
Okay? But you must
Alright,
I
alright, alright,
manipulated.
alright.
Hold on. I'm not going back to jail.
Step back, step over here, please.
No, I ain't going
Hey,
nowhere.
step over here. Step over here.
You're
You're not going, man. Hey, stop! Stop! Stop!
bro.
I'm here to talk.
Grandma.
Stop.
All right. Don't change me, bro.
Okay. Stop. Stop.
Grandma, please. Don't hit me with that, bro. I promise you, I got a heart problem. Bro, you listen to her. All you, don't
Wait.
touch me.
Okay. All right. Stop.
Grandma.
Can you check if there's a no contact order?
Can you read in here? She done texted you last night, right? Don't fucking tell her mom. Don't do this. Don't do that. I'm not going back to jail for this shit, bro. I don't deserve this shit, bro.
You said the date?
Sir,
Stop.
can you put that down?
Stay here.
Can you put that down?
Did
I'm
you
on the
say
phone with
that
my
for
grandma.
this person? Okay, stand there. Hey, I don't. Right.
Don't touch. Stop bullying me,
Come
man.
over here.
Stop.
Stay here.
Stop touching.
Stay. Stay.
Stop fucking touching me, bro.
Back up. Stay there. We'll talk. You want?
No, you're not talking. You're fucking putting your hands all over me, bro.
Right, because I asked you to stop. Have 94 step it up.
Grandma. Stop grabbing me, man. Stop fucking grabbing me, bro.
I'm asking you to stay.
Okay.
All right. Stop. Stop fighting.
I'm not fighting.
You are.
No, I'm
Face
not.
that way. Face that way. Now, I'm gonna test you. Face that way.
Grandma. I do it.
Stop.
Stop fucking. Stop. Hey.
Stop.
All right.
Stop.
All right. Man. Stop. I will stop if you stop.
All right.
Please.
Face the wall. Face the wall. Face the wall.
All right, I'll stop, bro.
54. We're fighting. On the ground. On the ground. I'm not gonna use force. Don't let me use force, man.
Huh?
Stop.
I didn't do anything wrong, man.
Slow everyone down. I have more detained.
Good, let's go downstairs. And we'll talk downstairs, please.
Sit
Not
down.
around here.
Sit down.
I don't want to sit right here.
Sit. Look.
Stop!
He's running downstairs. He's running downstairs.
Now.
That's it, I'll sit right here. Come here, Jason.
What the fuck, man?
You don't understand.
One of
You
you.
don't understand.
I got him on the third floor.
Hey, can you come here and talk to me? Can you listen?
Too late. Too late now.
Alright. I'm sorry too late.
I was here to talk to you. That's
You
it.
were talking outside to her. I
Right.
heard what she said. I got messages. I everything, bro. And I understand all this.
I don't understand anything.
I do.
What is it?
So I'm gonna
Put
afford you
cuffs
the
in front of you.
courtesy.
We're gonna have you take a leak.
Oh, that's fine. I thought you were gonna hold it.
No, dude, you hold yourself, man.
I ain't gonna run, bro.
No, because I got a brand new, freshly charged taser.
That's alright. I ain't scared of that thing either, but I'm not gonna run, bro.
It's not about scared or not. It just fucking hurt, and you will hurt yourself.
Hey, you wanna see my side? I've been hit with dogs. I've been hit with
Okay.
dogs.
No,
I just got a pit.
Stand here, right here.
I just got a pit.
Go for it.
Pit. Fuck, that's it. Y'all done cost me my life because you don't wanna listen to me.
Who didn't want to listen to you?
You didn't.
If you sat down,
Yeah, no matter what, I was going to jail.
that's fine. But
For
instead
no
of going
contact.
and being left tomorrow,
I'm not going to leave. I'm on
Yeah.
probation.
well,
It is what it is.
you knew what you had to do. You knew what you shouldn't. It is what it is. You're here. We're here.
You're absolutely right. It
We
is what it is.
look forward how you can resolve it, correct things, and get out there as soon as possible for your kids.
You know what's sad is that bitch that answered the phone call. She'll fucking. I've been here since I got out of jail. That's what you guys don't understand. That's what y'all don't understand.
But you knew you're not supposed to be here.
And she knows that.
Right, she knows that.
Okay, so why is she in trouble?
She doesn't. That's the law. You're the one who have no contact order, not she.
My bad.
Yeah.
Are you gonna leave him in front?
No. No.
I'm not gonna try to run, man. You ain't gotta grab me like that.
We already have some encounters, so
Yes, sir. I
excuse me,
get that.
forgive me if I don't trust you.
All right, I get that.
You know what I mean? Okay.
There you go. Let's go, please.
The first thing Dakota said to officers was that he wasn't going back to jail. He said it twice. Officers gave him 3 separate opportunities to comply. He declined every one of them. He backed away. He argued. He tried to walk toward the stairs. Each time, officers redirected. Then he ran. And when officers caught up, he resisted physically. That decision changed everything. Under Florida Statute 843, Ling Yi, resisting an officer with violence is a third-degree felony, a separate charge added on top. He didn't just violate the order. He created new felony exposure the moment he put hands on an officer. After the cuffs went on, he admitted it. No matter what. He said, I was going to jail. He had known the whole time. Dakota was charged with resisting an officer with violence, battery on a law enforcement officer, violating the Domestic Violence Injunction, and escape from custody. 2 charges were later dropped. He was held without bond, then set at $5,000 per remaining charge. There is one more number that matters. He was on probation at the time of this arrest. Under Florida Statute 948, Ling Liu, any new criminal arrest while on felony probation triggers a mandatory violation of probation proceeding. That proceeding runs independently. The violation of probation sentence and the new felony sentence do not merge. Both must be served. The officers get an A. They confirmed the order, spoke with the victim, attempted de-escalation 3 times, and responded proportionally when force became unavoidable. Under Graham versus Connor, officer conduct is evaluated on the facts known at the moment of the decision, not in hindsight. Every call here holds up. The victim gets a C+. She cooperated fully and was honest about her own role. Her call gave officers everything they needed. The exposure she created by allowing him in is real, but she made the right call when it mattered. Dakota gets a D. He violated an active order. He resisted. He physically battered a law enforcement officer, and he admitted he knew the outcome before it happened. There is a constitutional right to remain silent. He declined to use it and then handed officers a recorded confession. He was right about one thing. He was going back to jail. He just made sure it came with extra charges. If you want more body cam analysis, subscribe. We post every week. Drop a comment. What do you think the sentence should be?